Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
It's equally important for the faculty not to focus just on studies, bringing more graduates, but also work with the stakeholders. The stakeholders includes, as I mentioned, all those people which I mentioned, including the industries, startups, etc., etc. And you must find a way to become entrepreneurs. I think this is also important today because the job situation in this country is very, very critical juncture that we have to create more jobs. Some of those announcements that has come in the recent budget speech is an indicator of the nature of changes that are required. How to create more mentorships, how to create more employment opportunities. This is also a responsibility of the faculty and the university. After having acquired the knowledge, after having accomplished great things, to be rooted on your ground, I think that's very important. Because all what you have learned today is the blessing of so many people. All the knowledge that we have today is created by people much before who came here and left. And we are nothing without their blessing.
Is the people of our country. That is why I am saying Ekata of the country. Bear it in your mind and we will work hard. And our country is now the 5th economic power in the world. 6th power, the Britain, not Portuguese people. Here, Portugal ruling was there. So we are rushing to 3rd position. According to many pundits, they are claiming that within 6 months we will acquire the 3rd position in the economic field. And in that way, our country is fast developing. And irrespective of caste, creed or religion, whatever it may be, we will, for the Ekata of the nation, for the unity of the nation, we will work. Along with the same, we will also try to accumulate the maximum growth individually also and for your family also.